Hey guys, we got the David Filler special request. The Cheetah 12 SBS from SDS Imports. We got this about 4 hours ago, chopped it, got it back together, put some cool parts on it, tri-rail, a side folder, but we have this awesome little muzzle attachment. But what it does is actually, it's an adapter for our KSG-SS. So not only do we have a short barrel shotgun, we now have a suppressed short barrel shotgun. So we're going to run some rounds through it. We're going to run some Rio buckshot. It's uncaptured, which if you're familiar with any other shotgun suppressor that's out there, you can't shoot uncaptured buckshot through it. And we've got just some regular low brass steel shot that we're going to shoot in it. All right, guys, take a look. Going hot. Gun's clear. You might have saw the tube flash off. You get a little bit of unburnt powder in the tube, and it just lit off on one of those. All right, now the uncaptured buckshot. Again, don't shoot this in your in our competitor's shotgun cam. So I got 3 rounds in there now. Going hot. Oh, there's 4 rounds in there. So there you go. 4-hour suppressed SBS.